Task number 4 of our pull toy project is building. This is the fun part. Now that you've got your plan, you know what mechanisms you want to use. You're going to follow that plan and you are going to build. Excuse me. We're going to take a picture each day of your progress and include that in our notebook, and I'll show you what that means in just a second. So as you're building, again, think about as we pull this duck or whatever your toy is with this string and the wheels spin, how are we going to get something else to happen? How are we going to animate our toy? And the essential question that we should be answering along the way is, how do I solve problems I encounter? You will encounter problems. Things won't work the way that you want. So how do you overcome that? How do you solve those problems? What are some things that you do? That's kind of what you should be thinking about as you are building. All right, so at this point, let's pause the video and open up your design notebook. All right, we've got our design notebook open. We are on task number 4, which again is following your plan and building. So let's click on the bookmark for task number 4. It drops us right down. Here's our essential question again. How do I encounter or solve problems that I encounter? And again, you will be faced with challenges in this project, so make sure that you answer that. You're going to use the VEX parts in your classroom to build your pull toy. And again, insert a picture of your progress each day. Even if that doesn't seem like it's a lot, take a picture of what you did. All right, so let's say after the first day, this is what I have done. Okay, I built a frame for my pull toy, but that's all. That's okay if that's it. So you're going to write the date down, whatever the date is of the first day that you built. Let's just say it's the 1st of December there. Okay, then you're going to take a picture. So I took a picture right here of what I built. That's great. The next day, you're going to come back in, you're going to pick this up, and you're going to just continue working from there. You're going to continue doing this each day until we get to your final project. Let's just say the final project for me is after the 4th day. I write the date down, December 10th, or whatever the date is that you are working on, and there's a picture of my final toy. And so you could take pictures from multiple angles. If you look, here's my toy. So I had that hockey idea. It's a little different than my plan. Rather than having 2 goals, I just have one. I've got different players on here. I could take a picture from underneath and kind of show the mechanisms and things like that. But this is the project. And so as I spin the wheels here, you see that the guys on top move, the front wheels. If I spin the back wheels, just try to hold it up to the camera. You see that these other guys spin and with the puck move back and forth. All right, and so there is my final pull toy. All right, once you are done with that, you could aspire to take a video of that. There's a link right here on how to take a video or insert a video. A lot of you are smart enough, you can use your Chromebook and figure that out. Just show it work, show it in action. And then we have a task summary. So over the course of the last 4 or 5 class periods that you've been building, what's something you've learned along the way, and what was an example of success that you experienced? And then you see the end of task number 4. So have fun with building. It's going to be challenging. You're going to be faced with problems. Overcome those, have a growth mindset, and enjoy this project. All right, good luck. Reach out to your teachers if you have any questions.